Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have this. Look at this. This is a light bulb camera. You screw it into the light bulb socket and then it becomes a camera. I'm not able to set it up here because I have these weird can light things here and I don't have any lamps in this room. But I'm going to be bringing this to somewhere else and sticking it in a lamp socket. But we're going to give this thing a try and just check it out and see how it works and everything right here. So I think it comes with a way for us to screw it into just a regular outlet. So here we got the manual. We have the device right there. So let's see what else we got in the box. So in the box, we also have this. This is what I'm going to use for right now. So let's screw this in here. This is by TKENPRO. That's the brand. So I'll be able to set this up this way. And it looks like it's going to be able to turn around and zoom and rotate around. Take off the little plastic. So we'll look up how to set up the manual here, and I do have a outlet somewhere right over here. So this is what we'll use for the temporary time being. So hopefully you guys can see it here. I was looking at a different camera earlier, but that'll be this one here. So hopefully we'll balance it there as we go through. Oh, it lit up.
Boot up finish. Waiting to connect.
Okay, so it's trying to connect. So we're going to have to probably install an app for it to connect, and I will do that right now. I don't have a ton of battery power here, but let me see what I can do. Let's see, I want to do the Apple app. So there it is, App Store. So this is the thing here, it's called Cloud Edge. I think I used to have a Cloud Edge app. So I think it uses that. Okay, so it's downloading now. I keep getting all these low power notifications on my iPad, but we're going to give this thing a try anyway. I'll be right back. Okay, so we got it installed, and now we're going to, I just opened it up so we can do add a device. We can say allow. I guess this is going to be called a power camera. Let's see, it's probably a smart camera. I wonder if it's 2.4 or 5 gigahertz. Let's see what do I do with the box. Probably 2.4, but let's just set it up there and we'll see. Power on the device. We did hear that. Okay, we'll let it know our location. I have to put in my Wi-Fi password. You guys are not allowed to see that. Okay, and now it came up with a QR code.
Connecting.
So now it's connecting. So now it's at its connecting screen. So there it's registering to the cloud.
Successful connection.
Successful connection. That's always a good sign. And here we go. Now we have my camera. So let's see, next. Choose a family. There we go. Next. We're just going to go through all this stuff here. Current place is good. You can install the camera. Okay, so here we go. So now we have, there we go. So we are set up, and we are upside down because we're not in a light socket currently. But you can kind of get an idea. So I don't have to switch page. Okay, so here we go. So we are in the camera, and I think, let's see, can we, yeah, so we can zoom it like that way. There we go. We can see myself in there. You guys can see the camera right there. It's doing its thing. It's moving around. And very cool. It's super easy to control. And man, that quality is really good. I'm going to zoom in here. Let's see if I go to HD. I don't know if it's doing HD now, but look at that. You can see my face. My face pretty good. So I'm going to say this is a really nice camera. Super easy to do. I don't know what QHD is. Is that even more HD? Probably, because man, you can see all the hairs on my face. Look at that. Look at how good that quality is. You can really see everything on there. So very cool, and it's pretty updated, and it's got different settings you can do. Like I saw it had for like motion alerts, so I could set it up somewhere and then get motion whenever it is. I think it obviously had a light on it because that's what it turned on earlier. So we could probably do that. Light settings, we can say manual lighting time, set for 30 seconds, I guess. So I'm doing different encryption, motion tracking. That's kind of cool. So I guess if there's motion, it'll track it. Oh, there we go. It's tracking me. So let's see. So now if I play it again, so if I do this, so now will it track me? Oh, it's trying. Oh, it's backwards because it's upside down, I guess. But it's pretty cool though. So it'll motion track and everything. So I'm gonna say this is really nice. So I'm gonna say thumbs up from me. This is a really cool camera here. This is the wireless light bulb security camera here, and was pretty easy to set up. You saw we got it going in just a few minutes. So I mean, you saw it as fast as I did. So that was it. So super cool. Thumbs up from me on this. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some other reviews soon.